Today, we're diving into a company that's quietly transforming the way restaurants, bars, and hotels operate in the digital age. It's a name that might not be on every marquee yet, but it absolutely should be, because what they're offering is nothing short of a game changer for the hospitality industry. That company is MenuSmart. At its core, MenuSmart is all about giving hospitality businesses smart, intuitive tools to create digital menus and manage table reservations. Tools that work in real time, adapt to guest needs, and reduce the friction that often comes with traditional systems. We're talking about a platform that lets you design, update, and roll out fully customizable digital menus on the fly. You make a change, it goes live instantly. No printing, no delays, no miscommunication with staff or customers. Let's paint the picture. You're running a busy restaurant. It's Friday evening, a dish sells out, a price changes, or you want to add a new special for the night. With MenuSmart, you log into your admin dashboard, make the update, and that change appears instantly on every guest's digital menu, wherever they're viewing it. You don't have to alert the kitchen, reprint paper menus, or retrain the floor staff in the middle of dinner service. The platform handles it all in real time. What's especially compelling is how MenuSmart goes far beyond just the basic digital menu. The system supports menu scheduling, so you can create different menus for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or special events, and have them appear automatically at the right time of day. That means no more awkward transitions between menus, or staff explaining to guests why they're still seeing the breakfast page at 1 p.m. It's all pre-programmed and automatic. Now let's talk about QR codes. Every menu, every feature, every link can be accessed via dynamic QR codes that MenuSmart generates for you. This goes beyond just pulling up the menu. You can create codes that give guests access to Wi-Fi, allow them to make a reservation, or link them directly to your location on a map. These aren't just static images, they're integrated digital access points, and they make a real difference in how guests interact with your brand. Customization is another area where MenuSmart shines. The platform is built for businesses that care about their look and feel. You can design your digital menus to reflect your brand's personality: stylish, modern, classic, playful, minimalist, you name it. The menus are clean, elegant, and easy to navigate on mobile or tablet. It's not just functional, it's a visual upgrade that enhances the dining experience. Now, picture an international hotel or a trendy bar in a cosmopolitan city. You've got guests coming from all over the world. Language barriers can create confusion or awkward moments when it comes to ordering. MenuSmart solves this by supporting multiple languages right within the menu. You choose which languages you want to offer, and guests can easily switch to their preferred option. It's thoughtful, it's inclusive, and it opens your business to a wider audience. The platform also includes smart filters that allow guests to personalize their browsing experience. They can quickly sort menu items based on dietary preferences like vegetarian, vegan, alcohol-free, or any other filter you configure. This kind of feature used to require a lot of manual explanation from staff. But now, guests can discover exactly what they want with just a few taps. There's also a favorites button built into every menu, letting guests save the items they love most. Whether they're building a shortlist before ordering or bookmarking dishes for their next visit, it's another way MenuSmart adds value to the user experience. And here's something small but powerful. Each menu can include links to maps, reviews, or other third-party platforms. That means you're not just showing what you serve, you're connecting your digital presence across the board. You make it easier for people to find you, learn about you, and make a decision to engage with your brand. Then we've got the reservation system. MenuSmart doesn't just give you digital menus, it also gives you a full-fledged table reservation platform. You can accept bookings, send confirmation emails, handle cancellations, and manage everything from the same admin dashboard you use for your menus. That's huge. Having one system to handle both reservations and menus is a massive time saver and a more cohesive experience for your staff and guests alike. Let's step back for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Hospitality businesses today are dealing with rising customer expectations, tighter margins, labor shortages, and the demand for digital everything. The old ways, paper menus, verbal explanations, separate reservation tools, just don't cut it anymore. Guests want instant, accurate information. Operators want control, simplicity, and automation. MenuSmart delivers on both fronts. Think about how much time a manager or server wastes updating menus manually, explaining unavailable items, or toggling between platforms to confirm reservations. MenuSmart automates that. One dashboard, one login, one clean, powerful system that controls it all. And here's the real kicker. The entire platform is cloud-based and mobile optimized. So whether you're running a neighborhood cafe or a multi-location hotel chain, you can manage everything from a laptop, tablet, or even your phone. You don't need to be in the back office. You can update your dinner menu while standing at the host stand. You can block off tables for a private event while sipping your morning coffee at home. It's built for the real, everyday lives of hospitality professionals. Let's explore a few use cases. Imagine a wine bar in a major city, known for a rotating selection of bottles from around the world. With MenuSmart, they can swap in new wines, update tasting notes, and showcase special pairings with a few quick edits. Guests who scan the QR code see exactly what's available that night. No need for reprints or re-explaining. And because of the multi-language feature, a tourist visiting from abroad gets the same seamless experience as a local. Or take a resort that hosts events, weddings, conferences, seasonal dinners. With MenuSmart's menu scheduling and QR code generation, they can prepare unique menus for each event and activate them only when needed. Everything feels exclusive and tailored without adding complexity behind the scenes. Even smaller venues, like family-run restaurants, benefit hugely. They can update prices in real time, hide out-of-stock items, or add new dishes with no technical background required. That kind of agility used to be reserved for big-budget operations. MenuSmart makes it accessible to everyone. It's also worth noting that the platform is built to scale. So as your business grows, you don't outgrow your software. Whether you're managing one venue or 20, MenuSmart gives you centralized control with local flexibility. You can apply changes globally or tweak things per location. That's crucial for brands that are expanding or franchising. Another piece that stands out is how MenuSmart helps bridge the gap between guest expectations and operational capacity. In an industry where staffing shortages and turnover are still a major issue, having a system that reduces training time and puts control in the hands of the guests through intuitive menus and self-service reservations is a competitive advantage. It empowers staff and streamlines the workflow. So, what does all of this mean for the future of hospitality? MenuSmart is a clear example of where the industry is heading. Digital first, guest-centered, operations efficient. The businesses that adopt these kinds of platforms now will not only stand out today, they'll be prepared for what's next. They'll be equipped to pivot quickly, serve more confidently, and compete more effectively in a landscape that's changing by the day. MenuSmart isn't about replacing hospitality with tech. It's about enhancing hospitality with tech. It's about freeing up time, reducing errors, and creating space for staff to do what they do best. Welcome, serve, and connect with guests. We love to spotlight businesses that don't just build flashy tools, but actually solve real-world problems. MenuSmart is one of those. It's smart, simple, and packed with functionality that helps hospitality professionals do their job better. Whether you're looking to modernize your operations, create a more professional brand presence, or simply make life easier for your team and your guests. This is the kind of platform worth exploring. As we continue our search for the next big thing in business innovation, it's platforms like MenuSmart that keep showing us the way forward. They're not just reacting to trends, they're shaping them. By building solutions that solve for today's problems while laying the groundwork for tomorrow, they're helping hospitality move from tradition to transformation.